Meaning of filing.
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 Filing. Filing refers to the act of organizing or arranging documents, information, or materials into a specific order for easy accessibility and efficient retrieval. The result of filing is a systematized collection of data that is easy to navigate and helps individuals or organizations to manage their resources effectively. Proper filing ensures that important records are maintained and readily available when needed. The process of filing involves labeling, categorizing, indexing, and storing data in a logical manner. Filing is an essential activity in various fields, including business, healthcare, education, and law enforcement, among others.